Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Also guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix could not add card or card not edit errors while you are going to add cards to Apple Pay wallet. So first of all you have to close this page. Let me tell you that first of all you have to make sure that you're properly connected with internet. Also make sure that you are giving correct card number or correct name. So you have to check the supply links. Okay guys, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings again, scroll it down, tap on general. Let me tell you that you have to go to language and region option. Let me tell you that you have to select that language in which your debit or credit card is made. Okay guys, just simply select that region and you have to turn on your location. After that you have to open the settings, scroll it down, tap on general. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on date and time, and also make sure that you have selected correct time zone here. Then close this page, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open the settings and also make sure that you have updated your device to the latest version. And after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to open the settings again, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it down, then tap on general. From here guys, make sure that you're not connected with VPN, and just simply you have to close this page. And if you are going to scan your debit or credit card to add to the Apple wallet, then let me tell you that make sure that your camera is working properly. And also you can contact with Apple support team, so you have to download the app which name is Sport. So from here guys, you have to scroll it down and just simply have to tap on this one, Apple, and from here you have to tap on membership and billing. Now let me tell you that you have to wait some second and you can easily chat with them, or you can also call to them that you could not add card or you cannot add card to Apple Pay wallet, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.